Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is the Chevy Silverado 2021, 2018, 19. I was trying to move the screw that is here, and I have to take this fuse box, junction box out. We're gonna put it back again. As you see here, it have numbers here or names here. Like here, it say gray engine, blue for body, green for body 2, and this black one. So I'm gonna put the screw first. Where is the screw? This one is here. Be careful, because I tried to remove the radiator. Hold like this, because maybe in the bottom have to sit somewhere. Hold like this. Hold like this.
You can just lift it up.
I don't see anything there. I don't see anything there. Maybe it's broke. Yeah, it looks like it's not there. But I'm gonna put this one here, and we'll see what happened in the back. Okay, hold on. The most important is we don't have nobody guy to help us with this crazy stuff, so we have to help ourselves.
Send a job down to me.
This is like
You take it under release?
you see the cooling fan.
Yeah. Is it, yeah.
This is electronic cooling fan.
Went the wrong
If anything wrong with it, don't hit it. You see, tank with some, maybe just fuse or something. Now they destroy the whole circuit.
Can't hit that.
And okay, so in order for me to move, I just want to move this cover, and then to move it, you have to take those stuff out, because you have no space here. So now I have to put those fuse back. This is the green one. And here's now. What are we gonna do? Yeah, I gotta take my time and put it together. You see? What happened to you now? What do you? Hold on.
Yeah.
You see here? You see here, Amir?
Yeah.
There's a mistake here, you see? It doesn't go through because you have to go by names. If you try to go just by numbers, by just any click, it will not go. So what's gonna happen, you have to go this way. Go this way. And then that one have to go around. Yeah. Wow. I see the blue one running there. So this is here. You see when the car has an accident, you have to be sure everything go down like that. Hold it. Okay. Okay, what is next? These two here. Look here. Amir,
It's inside.
Amir, you have to watch what I'm doing. Okay, this is the blue one is here. The blue one here, the green one is here. So don't make mistakes. And the last one, please, guys, if you cannot concentrate, we're gonna miss a lot of information.
Okay, now
Has a spot to sit on.
yeah, here.
You see the clip? Yeah.
But
I was.
here, I mean, it's here in the right place. If it's not, we need a magnet. Tell Ahmed get us a magnet. We take this screw out to know where exactly it's gonna go.
What screw?
This one. Let me try it.
You need a magnet?
You need to adjust it. If it's go, okay. If it's not, that means it's not in the same place. If it's in, it's okay. Let me see. Good. So this is good. So now we have one there left.
You have 4 screws, remember?
Now I have another one. I have another one here. One screw here. Okay, let's go for this one. I'm gonna get that one. So now let's take this one correctly. See this?
Oh, you have screws. These.
Where? Like this in the top.
Oh, yeah.
And when you screw it, to be sure they are good. You see those? You see my hand here?
Yeah, I see.
Those things here have to come out. Those 4 places have to come to tell you that everything is in good. Okay, now you see here. If you left it like this, nothing is gonna work. So let me get the.
A 7, right?
I don't know where you put it, but let me one here. This is not good. Give me that 7. Stop the video. Okay. When you do this one, try to be sure there is a sign come out here. You see this piece?
Yeah.
If it doesn't come out, that means it's no good. You see my hand here? Don't go far. That's like, don't go forward than that. Set. Now this one is good. The battery terminal. Now
You get a 10 socket.
those have their own socket. We need to bring it and keep it there. And bring the light. We're gonna check that thing and see where it is. Not too much, okay? Okay, now where is the cover here? The cover will be inside. Okay, now we're gonna do one thing over there. We're gonna bring the the wire tie. We're gonna tie it one here, one here. And then we put the oil filter. The filter is in the back. Bring it.
Okay.
Bring the tester light where it is.